Xiaomi 14T Pro Review. My dear friend, I'm here with a device that pushes the boundaries of technology. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Xiaomi's latest flagship, the 14T Pro. This powerful device pushes the boundaries with its performance and dazzles with its sleek design. If you're tech-savvy, watch this video to the end because there are plenty of details to get you excited. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember that while it took me days to make this video, it only takes a few seconds to subscribe, and it will make my team and me very happy. Don't miss our new videos by activating the bell button. Now let's take a closer look at Xiaomi's latest flagship, the 14T Pro. Have a good time. Design and display. The Xiaomi 14T Pro features an elegant and modern design. On the front, it boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. This screen offers a brightness of 4000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in direct sunlight. Additionally, with HDR10+ support, it delivers vibrant and realistic colors. The screen is surrounded by thin bezels, allowing the device to have a wider screen-to-body ratio. The resolution of the display is 3200 by 1440 pixels, translating to a pixel density of 515 pixels per inch. This high resolution ensures that text and visuals appear extremely sharp and clear. Moreover, the screen's support for the DCI-P3 color gamut enriches the visual experience by offering a wider range of colors. The back of the device is covered with Gorilla Glass Victus, providing both a durable and aesthetic appearance. This glass surface is resistant to scratches and features a fingerprint-repellent coating. On the back panel, there is a stylish camera module where the cameras are located, seamlessly integrated into the overall design of the device. The side frames of the Xiaomi 14T Pro are made of aluminum alloy, contributing to both the device's lightweight and durability. At the bottom, you'll find a USB-C port, speaker grille, and SIM card slot. The top section includes a second speaker grille and an IR blaster. The touch sensitivity and response time of the screen are also impressive. The 144 Hz refresh rate provides a smooth experience, especially while gaming or watching fast-moving content. Additionally, the screen's 480 Hz touch sampling rate allows for instantaneous responses to touches, further enhancing the user experience. My dear friend, I want to give you a little reminder. I really need your help to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please consider subscribing. Performance. The Xiaomi 14T Pro stands out with its exceptional performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, built with 4nm technology, delivers high performance and energy efficiency. Its 8-core architecture ensures superior speed, especially in gaming and intensive tasks. On the graphics side, the 12-core Mali G715 GPU provides high performance in games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. With 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, it offers fast multitasking and data processing. An advanced AI engine further enhances the camera, battery optimization, and overall user experience. Thanks to its liquid cooling system, the device maintains peak performance even during extended use. Packed with advanced connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, the 14T Pro delivers a smooth and fast experience with the Android 14-based HyperOS operating system. My precious friend, I want to make a brief reminder. I need your support to reach 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe. Camera. The camera system of the Xiaomi 14T Pro offers top-notch performance for both photography and videography. The main camera is equipped with a 50-megapixel resolution Light Fusion 900 sensor, which supports optical image stabilization, OIS. This sensor allows you to capture clearer and more detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. Light Fusion technology helps combine pixels to produce brighter and less noisy images. With its wide aperture, you can achieve excellent results even in challenging lighting scenarios. On the telephoto side, there's another 50-megapixel camera. This telephoto lens features 3 times optical zoom and OIS support. enabling you to capture distant objects with clarity. In portrait photography, this camera can blur the background, delivering professional-looking results. Additionally, the telephoto lens's ability to capture details makes a significant difference in landscape photography as well. The ultra-wide camera boasts a resolution of 12 megapixels, making it essential for capturing expansive scenes or landscapes. With a 120-degree field of view, you can capture more details and area in a single frame. The distortion rate in ultra-wide shots has been minimized, allowing for natural and sharp images. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is also quite impressive in the video department. It can record videos in 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, enabling you to create cinematic quality footage. Moreover, the 4K 60 FPS video recording modes allow you to capture action-packed scenes smoothly and clearly. In Pro Video mode, you can manually control settings like white balance, ISO, and shutter speed for more creative shots. My dear friend, I want to make a small reminder to you. I really need your assistance to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Battery and charging. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is equipped with a battery that won't let you down in daily use. With a large 5,000 mAh capacity, this battery ensures that you can easily get through a full day, even with intensive use. The battery performance is impressive, especially during long gaming sessions or video watching marathons. One of the standout features of this device is its support for 120-watt fast charging. With this technology, you can fully charge the battery in just 19 minutes. In addition to fast charging, the device's battery is optimized for long-lasting usage. Plus, with 50-watt wireless charging support, you can enjoy quick charging without the hassle of cables. The reverse wireless charging feature also offers a convenient alternative for charging your other devices. My sweet friend, I want to make a simple reminder. Your support is crucial for me to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe. Software and other features. On the software side, the Xiaomi 14T Pro comes with the latest operating system, HyperOS, based on Android 14. This OS includes optimizations that allow the device's hardware to operate at its most efficient. The HyperOS interface provides a user-friendly and smooth experience. You can customize your device with theme and icon options to suit your personal taste. The device offers top-tier wireless connectivity performance with Wi-Fi 7 support. Wi-Fi 7 provides higher speeds and lower latency compared to previous generations, making a significant difference while gaming or consuming high-resolution content. The Xiaomi 14T Pro also boasts an IP68 certification, meaning it is resistant to both water and dust. This allows you to use your device with confidence in rainy weather or dusty environments. Its stereo speakers deliver a rich and immersive sound experience with Dolby Atmos support. Security features like facial recognition and an under-display fingerprint reader ensure a fast and reliable unlocking experience. My lovely friend, I want to remind you of something. Your support is very important for reaching 1,000 subscribers. Please consider subscribing. Price. The Xiaomi 14T Pro occupies a place in the flagship segment with its top-notch features and premium design. The starting price of the device is around $899. This price may vary based on storage options and regions. However, considering its performance, camera capabilities, and fast charging support, it stands out as a highly competitive option compared to its rivals in this price range. My charming friend, I want to give you a little reminder. I need your help to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe. Conclusion. The Xiaomi 14T Pro truly offers a flagship experience with its design, performance, and camera features. With a 50-megapixel main camera and 8K video recording capability, you can unleash your creativity. The 120-watt fast charging support means you'll almost forget about charging times. If you're looking for a device with powerful performance, impressive aesthetics, and rich features, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is definitely a contender you should consider. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, my dear friend. See you in the next video.